Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to tell you how to enable the feature of the double tap to screen on in Smart 8 Pro. So if you want to enable this feature, when you double tap on the screen will turn on. I will tell you how you can enable it. Follow the step, watch complete video and don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch it.